This is an awesome strategy that I've put together for you guys in today's video. I'm going to show you one of the highest paying CPA methods that you can use that will pay you anywhere between $30 and $500 a day. I'm going to show you a brand new website that you can use that will allow you to get quite a lot of free traffic, something that I've never spoken about on my YouTube channel before. In fact, you don't need any social media for the strategy. We don't need any followers. We don't need any subscribers. Unlike most CPA marketing strategies, you don't even need your own website with this strategy. And I'm going to sit with you thoroughly throughout this entire process, and this won't be a brief video. Everything will be covered for you. I'm going to hold your hand throughout this entire process, step by step, so that you can master the CPA marketing strategy by the end of this video and start making money online. CPA marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online because we don't have to sell anything. We don't have to promote any cold products to a cold audience that takes a while to convert. Now, CPA marketing does pay a lot less, maybe only $1 or $2 here and there per conversion, but there's a really interesting way that we can go about this to get conversions every couple of minutes, sometimes every couple of seconds, using a unique strategy, and all it takes is just to find the right strategy. For a lot of people, CPA marketing can be quite complicated, but in today's video, I'm really going to simplify it for you and give you one of the best strategies out there. But before we get into this video, my name is Jay, and on this YouTube channel, I'm trying to build a community online where I document my journey of various ways that I used to make money online and hopefully inspire and help others along their journey to also make money online. Most of my strategies include ways of CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, drop servicing, drop shipping, creating online stores, creating funnels, and now and then trading content as well. But on my second YouTube channel over here, I'm documenting my entire Forex trading journey. For those of you that have been watching me for quite some time, you would know that I've moved a lot of my time and effort into Forex trading, as that's where I want to go full time. And on my second YouTube channel, which I'll leave on the screen over here and a link down below, is where I'm documenting my entire trading journey, trading live accounts and teaching you my strategy and actually trading on the live market. So if you want to go and learn more about that, it's a very handy skill to have in today's world. I recommend go and subscribe to that YouTube channel as well. But without further ado, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel as well, and also send me a DM on Instagram on what timestamp you see this emoji pop up through this video. Somewhere in this video, I'm going to throw up an emoji on the screen that looks like this. It's not this one. It'll be in this video later. And I want you to send me a DM on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down below. What timestamp you see that, the first person that DMs me the right answer, I will send you $20 to your Bitcoin wallet address. So make sure to go and do that down below, and let's go straight into this video. SimilarWeb over here is one of the most handy websites that I recommend you use when analyzing a website. For example, the exact website that I want to use for promoting the CPA strategy, I can go and take a look at the global rank, the country rank, the category rank, how many total visits this website gets, how much time, even the exact minutes and second, the average visitor visits on this website, how many pages per visit, how the website is doing over the last couple of months, is it going up or down, and I can also identify which specific countries in the world this traffic is coming from. So this website over here is currently ranked 28,000th in the world, which is really good. This also means it's not the most well-known website, so it's not an oversaturated website for the strategy, but it's also up there getting millions of views. And remember, there's millions of websites in the world on the internet, so to be ranked in the top 30,000 is still a pretty good rank. Currently, it's getting anywhere between 2.4 and 4.7 million views every single month. A little bit of a decrease in the last month, but that's okay. Maybe the website's just having a seasonal trend. And the most important part of the strategy is the majority of the traffic is coming from first world countries, United States over here. And that is exactly what I want to target for the strategy, as most of my CPA offers are only valid and work in the United States. That is why I've specifically chosen this website for you guys in today's video. Secondly, we're going to be needing our CPA marketing platform, which is the database with all of the different CPA offers that we can go and promote. Now, I'm going to give you my main one, and then I'm going to give you two alternatives for those that don't have access to the main one. So I'm pretty sure most of you have heard of maxbounty.com before. If you haven't, it's one of the most reputable and best CPA marketing platforms out there with the best quality offers that you can possibly go and promote. However, they do have quite a strict sign-up process where a lot of people do get declined and are not able to sign up. In that case, I'm going to recommend to you another website called cpalead.com and cpagrip.com. A lot of these websites offer the exact same CPA offers, But these two websites here, CPA Leads and CPA Grip, are both very easy to sign up on. There's no long registration and submission process. You register and can log in immediately. So I've got an account on maxbounty.com. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Max Bounty. If you don't have Max Bounty, follow the same process that I'm going to be showing you in this video with CPA Leads or CPAgrip.com. This is what your Max Bounty dashboard is going to look like once you've signed in. You've got over here your earnings summary, you've got your search and your browse tab over here, which are the two most important features of today's video. So specifically using this strategy, I've been generating anywhere between $20 and $350 a day. Some days take off, some days really take slow and you don't earn as much, which is averaged out to about an average of $2,100 a month. Yesterday I had my biggest day yet of $346. Today also a really good day of $201, and we only just nearly halfway through the day. This is just to give you an idea that this strategy does work and you do actually earn from this. To go and find your CPA marketing offer that you want to go and promote, go and click on the search bar on the left over here. It will take you to a page like this. Now, I want to explain to you how this works because this is important to understand. Because a lot of people have messaged me on Instagram and they don't understand how you actually make money with CPA marketing. So this is how it actually works. For example, over here is a company, obviously called the National Consumer Center, is giving away a $1,000 Visa gift card via lucky draw. So what they do is they collect emails of people all over the world or in the specific country that they supported. They will then choose one lucky email winner to win $1,000 via Visa card or sent to their address. And how they make money is they build and collect millions and thousands of emails around the world or around the country that they supported in. They promote affiliate offers, various different marketing schematics, and they actually make a lot more than $1,000 from all the emails that they've sent. But what they do is to go and grow their email list. They will pay people like you and me to refer people to their email list. In this case, $2.40 per person. And your lead stands a chance to win $1,000. So it's a win-win for everybody. This company is winning. They're growing their customer base or their email subscriber base. We are giving our leads a chance to win a free $1,000. And we as the referrers are also getting free $2.40 per person that we refer. So it's a win-win for all three of us. And $2.40 may not seem like a lot of money, but if you count it up, 10, 20, 30 people a day, it starts to add up to $30, $50, $100, $200 a day. So you can understand how the rollover effect of this, of all these little referrals at the same time, can add up to a lot of money. The first thing you need to do is come over to geography, scroll down until you see United States, click on apply search options, and you only want to go and use the CPA offers that are working in the United States, because remember the website that we're going to be using is majorly United States traffic. So over here you want to go and choose any one of these CPA offers. I honestly like this one over here, the National Consumer Center. Get a $1,000 Visa gift card and you get $2.40 per lead, so it's paying pretty well, and it gives our leads a free chance to win $1,000. So we can go and click on the CPA offer over here. We want to click on build tracking link, click on contextual, click on raw link, and over here you will get your unique affiliate link to the landing page. And all this landing page consists of is a name and email submit. So all your lead needs to do is come over to this landing page, enter their name and email to apply for the giveaway. You get your $2.40 and they just need to wait and see if they won their giveaway. So it's really easy. You're not selling anything. You just have to get someone to enter their name and email, and that's how you get paid. So take a look at this brand new website over here. So not only you can make money from CPA marketing, you can actually also make money from just posting on this website. So over here, for example, this person posted about Steam for script kiddies, SBD debt ratio. So I don't know what that's about, but he made $48 from just posting this post. This person over here posted a post about the world of Xpillar, the portrait photography and art contest week, and he got paid $100 just for posting this post. So all the posts on these websites get listed at the top page. You'll see over here 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 10 hours ago, 4 hours ago. So a lot of the new posts get pushed to the top of the page. So a lot of people will be seeing your post. Now, I discovered a strategy, or I thought of an innovative strategy for this website where, why don't we find out 2 ways or multiple ways that we can make money from this? So we've got actually getting paid from our posts. And then secondly, we can go and use CPA marketing for those that read our post, can stand a chance to win $1,000. And on top of that, we get paid $2.40 per lead. So how this works is you got to go and click sign up on the top right over here, and you will see all of these articles. Okay, let's just go and choose one in English. All of these articles are just articles posted by people around the world. You can scroll through, read through all about it. And if you want to go and make your own article for this website, just come over to a tool called writesonic.com. This is a tool that will automatically generate a done for you article in seconds. You can go and click on sign up on the top right. You can just use the free trial with this website. You don't need to pay for it. So I'm going to sign in with my account. Once you've signed into Writesonic, just click on AI blog and article right over here. Click on 2.0, it must be 2.0. For your topic, you can type here, companies giving away free money, for example. We can click on generate ideas over here, and this tool will automatically put an article together for us about various different companies that are giving away free money. So you'll see over here, once it takes a couple of seconds to load, the best 5 companies that are giving away free money. We can click on this topic or this title of our specific article, click on generate intro, so it will generate the introduction for our article. Go and choose anyone, it really doesn't matter. Let's just go and choose this one, click on generate outlines, and then the 4th step is to go and generate the entire article. So this is really quick. I'll show you right now. You can see over here our title, introduction. The outlines is basically the index. So for example, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can go and choose this one over here, pretty cool. Anyone, doesn't matter. We can then click on write an article, and over here our article is now done. Pretty easy, right? So we can come over to maxbounty.com, copy our affiliate link, come over back to your article, and we can type here throughout this article, this company is hosting a live $1,000 Visa gift card lucky draw giveaway. You can enter here, put your link, and then you can type here, you will be notified via email if you've won. And what I recommend is copy this entire little script that you just written and paste it throughout this article. I wouldn't spam it everywhere. Just go and paste it here and there, maybe one in the beginning, one in the middle, and one at the end. Once your article is done, you can copy this entire article, come over to Steemit.com, you can click on the pen on the top right over here, log in with your account, and start submitting your articles. And you can literally go and use the AI article writer tool over here, and all of these, let me just come back quickly, I just lost the page. All of these CPA offers over here on maxbounty.com to go and put together so many various different article ideas. So for example, if you want to make an article about the PS5 versus Xbox One, you can go and do that, make an article on that through AI article writer over here, and go and use this giveaway over here, which is giving away a free PS4 and Xbox One, to incorporate that into your article, and then people will enter for that giveaway. So at the same time, you can go and make tons of money through your articles on Steemit.com and also make money through your CPA offers. So that's going to be it for today's video. In fact, I'm actually going to try this over the next couple of days and see how it goes, as I see a lot of potential with this. This is a new upcoming website where I see a lot of people are posting. They're also monetizing your articles, the amount of clicks, engagement you get. You also get paid on your articles, and you can also go and make money off your CPA offers. So I recommend go and give it a try, test if it works. You might start off small with only a couple of dollars per day, but as you scale over time, you can grow to hundreds of dollars a day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an entire CPA course. We're not done yet. I still want to load you up with more value. So on the screen over here, I'm going to drop my entire CPA marketing course on YouTube with the best CPA marketing strategies and videos that I've made over the past 2 years. I'm not charging a single cent for this information. None of these videos upsell you to some crazy $2,000 course. All of this is completely for free on my YouTube channel over here. So what I recommend is go and click on the CPA marketing list over here, and I'll see you over there.